Hey guys, Matt Teifke here, broker partner at TRE here in Austin, Texas. Today I wanted to talk about 3 valuable tips for owner financing as it relates to being on the buyer side and why that's valuable for you and a tool to use when acquiring property. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment on our channel, and let's dive in. Number 1, when you're owner financing, you're gonna save money on closing costs. So you're not gonna have to pay for certain things that you would pay for in a traditional transaction. You're gonna go directly through the owner and you're gonna work through these details. So typically you can save $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 by going that route. Number 2, when you understand all aspects of real estate and the different variables that you can manipulate, you're able to essentially negotiate on 4 things: the price, the interest rate, the balloon payment, and the amortization schedule. So you're able to use your skill set and knowledge that you have within real estate to negotiate 4 different items that may be beneficial for the seller, and in turn, you can kind of figure out what terms work best for you. Number 3, you have the ability to pay a higher price potentially. As I said about negotiating the different variables, you can pay a higher price, but maybe have a lower interest rate or a lower down payment. So I always look at it as, what's my monthly payment? And if the monthly payment is where I need it to be, the price is always obviously important, but it's not as important as what my monthly payment's gonna be. So back to understanding all the variables, these are terms that you can manipulate with the seller that can benefit you in your transaction. So those are my 3 tips for buy-side owner finance. There's other values that can come for the seller, and I highly recommend thinking about these things and utilizing this when looking at buying property and keeping those options open. Just see what an owner finance transaction would look like for yourself. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Hope to see you guys at the next video.